And welcome back again to another video. These are just random anyways, these are what I'll be doing today. I am making some hot dog, hot diggity dog. Oh, dang. Don't cover me, bro. Anyways, we're gonna make some hot dog and fruit salad. I learned my lesson from last time not to put lettuce in his fruit salad. So, slam. We got this. I got this, okay? And what we have, of course, some hot dog bread. Honestly, I have not used these before, so I'm kind of a bit on the side. So let's see. It's because there was no freaking regular hot dog buns in the store, and so I guess I gotta use this with some sausage. Use whatever one you will want. I have the chicken and pork. You can use beef as well. Yeah, with some onions, the cheese. Honestly, I was debating on the cheese, but just trust the process, okay? And we have some sweet peppers and green onions and some grapes, strawberry, blueberry, blackberries, and the mandarin orange. That's all we have today. I'm gonna get started. This is super fast and easy to make. There should be no reason why you are not doing it for yourself in the morning. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's get started. I'm talking too much. Okay, well, first thing first, I'm taking like one dog. Yes, one. We're not doing too much over here. He's currently in the shower and I'm doing this, so yes, I washed my hot dog. Fuck. And we're just gonna take this. Yes, just like that. Okay, ignore this. I am not using that. That's from yesterday. And I'm just gonna put it in here like that. Yeah. Because it's a sausage, like, I put it on 400. Actually, I'm gonna remove it from 400 and just put it on 350 for that. It's not gonna stay for long, just until it is done. That's it. To be honest with you guys, I had to like Google like what do people eat with hot dogs on the sides, and there were so much things coming up. I'm just sitting here like, huh? What? But then I saw fruit salad. I mean, he had fruit salad earlier this week, and it was a bummer because he didn't like the fact that I added lettuce into it. Like, but that wasn't even the problem. The problem was that I added the sauce into it, and it did got a bit soggy before it was time for his lunch. So the lettuce kind of was off-putting for him. But guess what? I brought it home and I ate it, because why not? Like, we don't waste food in this house. The only problem was the lettuce. The flavor was there. Everything was good. But I learned next time not to add the sauce until it's time for him to eat. Okay? So I'm going to cook these, like, these two. I'm not using all of this. Just, like, a little bit, because we're only using one dog, and a little bit of green onion for a little drizzle. Why am I using this knife? I don't know. But look at that, they look perfect. Look at my hot dog. That's like one hot dog. It's just like that, honestly. I wanted to cook a bit more. Not until it pops open. Like, you don't want it to like, you know, you don't want that. And it's only been in for, let me see. 15 minus 7. You figure that out. I'm not. Yeah. Oh, okay. So that's enough. It did exactly what I didn't want it to do. How long did I spend in here? Let's see. Stop it. Okay, so it was there for about 12 minutes. Don't do that. 10 minutes is just enough so it doesn't pop. And that means it's cooked. Yes, we absolutely. Okay, let me stop talking and go do the onions and stuff. I'm gonna cook these onions. Why does it look like this? Because I fried some eggs earlier for myself to give some strength to be able to do this. Yeah. There you go. I already added because I'm gonna wash them. That's why I'm putting it in here like that. Yes, yes. I do wash my fruits. Yes. Just that is one big strawberry. Just 3. You only need 3 because I'm gonna slice them up anyways. Slice, cut, chop, like whichever one you want to think about. You might think, okay. You see me putting those other ones. I can smell the oil right now. That's really hot. No, that's not good. Okay, that's not what you want. Fudge. Oh my gosh. What? Okay, so this is my first kitchen mess up. Wow. Oh my gosh, you see the pot like that? Watch me transform that. You see a pot like that? This is what I use. So nice and shiny again. And back to the stove we go. Like a dumbass. Oop. Okay, before you put it back on the stove, don't be a dummy. Take a paper towel. Make sure you wipe it. Just to remove the scum oil. But yeah, we're gonna go back again. Round 2. If you didn't hear me, because that was so loud, it's not as smoky as I thought. We good. Okay, at this point I'm stirring it up. You don't want too much oil on here. Just a little bit. Just a little bite. And yeah. Oh yeah. I'm still wishing you the best. Grab up and lean there. Tell me how to see. Sauteing these. This is just onion and pepper. Oh my god, this smells so good. So good. And now we know plain greens over here. Just a little bit of black pepper. More black pepper juice. Babe, you wear your own. Moving on. And another one, and another one. We know twinsies over here. And garlic. That was salt I put over there. Salt. And my favorite thing ever. Make shit good. Of course. Because why not? And it's only a little bit. It's only a little bit. It's going to come from me. And that. This is another bit. See? Saute. Saute. Like that. And the sweet chili sauce. Yes, I put a bit of sweet chili sauce on here as well. See, it's just a little bit. This time your ancestors have nothing to do with it. I'm sure your eyes can see, and if you can see, I'm sorry, but how are you able to watch this video? I'm sorry. Okay. I have to put that on a bit more so it can like cook just a bit. Yes, I put the sausage here along with it because I can. Why not? And you don't want it completely soggy. That's just perfect. I'm just gonna toast the bread just like that. Just lay it in. Yes. I laid it in there along with everything else. And no, I didn't put no butter on it. Honestly, I'm not really toasting it. I just want it hot so I can put the cheese on it. That's how it came out. And if you're wondering if I put it on top or the bottom, well, both. Honestly, I want to make it look aesthetically pleasing, so some goes in the bottom. Skin. Go again to soak up the juice on the bowl. See? Yes. Tell me that don't look good. Tell me you wouldn't eat this. Exactly. You got a problem. And it's just something simple. This bread is actually like good. I thought it was gonna fall apart because it's so like pillowy, but no, like it's standing 10 toes down, okay? The bread said 10 toes down, bitch, you ain't trying me to die. Look at that. And that is what we have. Isn't that beautiful? That's gonna go in his lunch stuff. Let me put this in a plate. Look at that water. Like, do you see how dirty that is? Like, what the wood? This is why you should wash your fruits. Oh my gosh. Ew. And as for the fruits, I already washed these. Oh, wow. Rude. Hello. And that we have it. And now I'm just gonna pack it up. Oh, girl, this thing is not trying to fit. But guess what? I still made it go though. Ooh, look at that. Yes. And then this. Lucky for me, he wanted the animal smoothie today. So I'm excited. Some to pick. And a napkin. Doesn't matter. But that's it. And now we're just going to see whether he finishes the food. Yes, this is after school. You guys ready for this? I am. Okay, let me stop spinning. I'm not trying to waste your time. But, ooh, so that was a bit violent. Oh, it looked like that because when I washed the fruit, I told you guys I put a paper towel at the bottom, you know, so it doesn't get, the fruit doesn't get soggy. That's why it looked like that. That's from a bunch of different fruits. And there's nothing. And ta-da! He clear everything. So, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, I'm gonna wash this up anyways. I'm gonna wash this up, but I'm just not supposed to, you know, forget. That's it. Bye. I'm gone.